Good stuff, Parmalee. That is Gonna Love You. It's Better Country 101.7 The Bull. My name's Wyatt. It's good to be hanging out with you here on a Thursday. Also good to be hanging out with a couple of lovely ladies here, chatting about a new program that's going to be coming from the Southeast Iowa Regional Medical Center. Carey and Darya is joining us here this morning. Guys, good to see you here in the studio. How are you guys doing this morning?
Good. How are you?
Oh, we're doing fantastic here this morning. Beautiful morning here in Southeast Iowa. Can't complain about that. So let's talk a little bit about a new program, and we've got info for this, by the way, on our community calendar. But if folks are interested here, we've got a Survivorship 101 program that you guys are introducing there at the medical center there. So let's talk a little bit about what that course is kind of going to cover, and then kind of get into the specifics of it as we move along here.
Well, this class is developed for survivors of cancer treatments. It doesn't matter if you completed your treatment 6 months ago or 10 years ago. It's set up to be a 9-week session. It's from 2 to 4 on Wednesdays, and it focuses on nutrition, side effects of treatment, exercise, reducing stress, and all overall well-being.
Okay, so I mean that's a very important thing that kind of doesn't get covered there. You know, after you go through all that, the treatment and all that kind of stuff, it's kind of hard to get back to your normal everyday life. You know what I mean? And let's talk a little then about. You said it goes 9 weeks. Then where's this going to be held? Is it going to be held right there at the medical center then?
Yeah, so it is in the Indian Room, which is a conference room we have in the hospital. We're kind of going to meet everybody outside, kind of the Wellness Plaza Cancer Care Center, and kind of lead them back. It's kind of a maze to get back to the conference room. So we'll kind of start there week 1 and then go from there.
Start there week 1 and then move on. Now, is this open to the public then? You said people that have gone through this then open to the public if you have that in your background then?
Yes.
Okay, so you can check that out then. Again, we got the info for you here on our community calendar at 1017thebull.com. Just click on events. But if folks are wanting to, call, maybe ask some questions or, also just get more information, how do they go about that?
Yeah, if they just want to call the number 319-768-4248. We have staff there, and we can kind of answer any questions.
Is there any kind of deadline that you guys need folks to sign up by then?
September 10th.
September
and then
the 10th.
The class starts September 17th.
Okay, so starting on the 17th then, but you got to get in by the 10th. And again, we got that number for you there in the post about this on our community calendar, 1017thebull.com. We were talking with Carey and Darya here this morning. Guys, is there anything else you guys need to cover here before we let you go?
No, they said patients who have attended this class said that it helps reduce depression, anxiety, increases hope, resilience, and quality of life for anyone who's gone through the cancer journey.
Yeah, and I feel like a lot of us have dealt with family members that have been touched by it, or again, maybe you've been touched by it personally, and there's a lot that goes into it, and then dealing with that treatment does a lot to a person. So this is a good kind of thing to offer to the community, and I think this is something that's going to go over, I think, really well for you guys there.
Well, and thank you for mentioning that, because this is open to caregivers of cancer patients as well. So if you've been on that journey and you're a caregiver, we encourage them to come along with you too.
Absolutely. Like I said, it affects the families as much as it affects the individual there as well. Guys, thank you so much for coming in and chatting with us here this morning. And again, we got that info for you up on our community calendar, 1017thebull.com. Just click on events. Carey and Darya, thank you so much, guys, for coming in and chatting with us here for a couple of minutes. And good luck with that program. Again, starts on September 17th. Deadline is September 10th. Details, again, 1017thebull.com. Just click on events. Billy Currington coming up, Mary Chapin Carpenter as well. Right now, we're getting back into it with a little John Party and a Friday night heartbreaker. It's Better Country on 1017 The Bull.